Today, we're taking you on a journey through the life cycle of hydraulic valves, from design to disposal. Every hydraulic valve begins its life on the drawing board. Our skilled engineers use advanced CAD software to design valves that meet rigorous performance and safety standards. This stage involves meticulous planning. After passing the tests, the production phase begins. Precision and quality control are paramount as each valve is assembled by our skilled technicians. We use high-grade materials and state-of-the-art machinery to ensure every valve meets our exacting standards. With production complete, our valves are carefully packaged and shipped to customers worldwide. At HFD Hydraulic, we pride ourselves on timely delivery and excellent customer service. In the field, our hydraulic valves play a crucial role in a wide range of applications, from construction and agriculture to manufacturing and automation. They ensure smooth and efficient operation of hydraulic systems, providing reliability and performance. Maintenance is essential to extend the life cycle of hydraulic valves. Regular inspections, cleaning, and part replacements help maintain optimal performance and prevent unexpected failures. Finally, when a valve reaches the end of its life cycle, responsible disposal is crucial. At HFD Hydraulic, we are committed to environmental sustainability. We ensure that worn-out valves are recycled or disposed of in an eco-friendly manner, minimizing environmental impact. From design to disposal, HFD Hydraulics is dedicated to quality, reliability, and sustainability. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life cycle of hydraulic valves. For more information, visit our website at www.hfdhydraulic.com.